Case name Shashank Singh, age is 37 years, and today date is 26th of January 2024, and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. So just tell about yourself, why you came here, from which place you came.
Yeah, so I'm Shashank Singh. I'm from Delhi. I've come from Delhi. I'm a software engineer by profession. As you can see, I have a problem of high pitch voice. So I do lose my confidence while speaking because of the tone of my voice. Several times when I have to meet new people, I do get certain expressions from them which is not very comforting for me. So that creates a sort of, that brings low confidence in me.
Voice sample after voice therapy, and today date is 2nd February 2024. So why you came here and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
So my name is Shashank Singh. I came here for the high pitch issue, and I came here on 26th January, and after 8 days of therapy, today is 2nd Feb, and I can see significant improvement in my voice, and all my regards and thanks to Sanjay sir. I think.
From which place you came?
So I came from Gurgaon. I'm a software engineer working in Gurgaon. Yeah, so I came from there.
Okay, and when you're calling on the phone, what are the reactions you're getting?
So when I called my family members and my wife over the call, they were very happy with the quality of my voice. My wife was very impressed by the quality of my voice.
What about the friends? They're able to recognize first time?
I called some of my friends randomly and they were not able to recognize my voice, but with my style of talking, they were able to recognize, and then I video called them. Then after that only they were able to realize.
Okay, so thanks for coming from Gurugram, no?
Yes, yes.
I think, and so thank you so much. And can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure, you can use it.
And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his voice, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.